Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today we're going to make a beautiful set of pedestal bowls with a matching mirror that would be perfect for fall decorating as the colder weather sets in. And unless otherwise stated, all the materials for these DIY home decor pieces are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. To begin, we're going to make a simple yet elegant pedestal bowl. For this, we will need one clear plastic bowl or planter. This one is relatively flat or shallow bowl, perfect for displaying decorative balls or any other favorite pieces you may have. To give the bowl some height, we will use the silver tea light holder as a base. For embellishments, I have chosen a matching chain of silver beaded necklace along with some jeweled border stickers. And as per most of my craft projects, we will need some Fix-All, some hot glue sticks, and our handy dandy hot glue gun. Mine was purchased from Amazon. To begin, we will use some hot glue to line the top rim of the bowl with a string of silver beaded necklace. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in to today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once the rim is done, repeat with the same string of silver beaded necklace towards the bottom of the bowl. Once done, your bowl should look similar to this. Next, apply the jeweled border sticker around the bowl. Here you can see I have chosen to apply the border sticker directly below the rim. This step is optional but adds a design element to the otherwise simple bowl. The final step is to adhere the silver tea light holder to the bottom of the bowl. Make sure you remove any price stickers and labels from both your bowls and tea light holder. For this step, I have chosen to use a combination of Fix-All as well as some hot glue. The Fix-All provides a more firmer, permanent hold, while the hot glue provides near instant hold. When placing the bowl on top of the tea light holder, place it down slowly, making sure the bowl is perfectly centered. And here is the final look for our first pedestal bowl. You can see here I have chosen to place a few fall-themed ceramic pumpkins and vegetables, which I blinged out to give the bowl an extra glam look. For our next pedestal bowl, I have selected a slightly larger clear bowl. This one is oval shaped and much deeper than our first bowl. To give this bowl some height, we will need one of these square-shaped bowls that come with a mirror-like finish. We'll also need a couple of packs of these clear vase fillers. If you don't have this, you can also choose to use crushed mirror or glass. We will also be using some of this white glitter, which you will see later adds sparkle to the bowl. To help us with this bowl, not only will we be using some Fix-All and some hot glue, but we will need some Mod Podge or some of this adhesive spray, both of which dries clear. To begin, I have chosen to tape off the bottom of the bowl on the outside with some painter's tape. This step is optional, but will help to ensure that we don't inadvertently get any glue on the bottom of the bowl. Next, we're going to use a foam brush to apply and spread out the Mod Podge to the outer surface of the bowl. You can either do this in sections or you can cover the entire bowl with Mod Podge before sprinkling the clear vase filler onto the Mod Podge. Once the first layer of vase filler is applied, leave it to dry for a couple of hours before applying the next layer of vase filler. And here's what our bowl looks like so far. You can see that I'm gently rubbing and tapping the bowl to shake off any loose vase filler. Then I go in with some spray adhesive. Although it goes on white, it actually dries clear. Once the spray adhesive is applied, I go in with some white glitter to fill in the gaps where the vase filler did not cover the bowl. This step is optional, but I think the glitter adds some extra sparkle to the bowl. Once the bowl is fully dry and the painter's tape is removed from the bottom, here is what the bowl looks like so far. And for those of you who may be wondering about the spray adhesive, I can tell you that it works well as an adhesive, but somehow more messy than using the Mod Podge. So for next time, I think I will stick with the Mod Podge for a cleaner workspace and cleaner hands. Our next step is to take the same silver beaded necklace we used on the first bowl and adhere the same to the rim of this bowl using some hot glue. Once the bowl has been trimmed with a silver beaded necklace, take the square bowl and embellish it with some string of silver beaded necklace. To further embellish the base, I am also adding a short strip of jeweled border stickers, one strip per edge for a total of 4 strips. The last step is to turn the square bowl upside down and then adhere it to the bottom of the bowl using some Fix-All and hot glue. And as a reminder, the Fix-All will provide a firmer, longer lasting hold, while the hot glue will provide near instant hold. When placing the larger bowl on top of the square bowl, make sure that the larger bowl is perfectly centered. And here is the final look for our second pedestal bowl. Let me know in the comments below what you think I should place inside this beautiful bowl. I'm thinking perhaps decorative balls, or perhaps make it more functional by placing keys inside and sitting the bowl by a console table at the front door. For our third decor piece, we are going to make a matching mirror that can sit on an easel or hung on the wall. For this piece, we will need either a charger plate, or in my case, I have chosen this thin round wooden panel. We will also need a round mirror, slightly smaller than the wooden panel. For embellishments, we will need some small round pearl stickers, or in my case, I will be using these flat back pearls I purchased in bulk from Amazon. The pearls come attached in string fashion and are flat on the back. The first step is to disassemble the mirror, as we will not need the frame. You can put aside the frame for a future craft project. For this decor piece, we will need to remove the cardboard backing carefully from the frame and the mirror. To do this, use a small pair of scissors to gently encourage the cardboard backing to separate from the mirror. Once the cardboard backing and the mirror are both removed from the frame, apply some Fix-All and hot glue to the back of the cardboard piece and adhere it to one side of the round wood panel. Make sure to place the cardboard backing so that the hook is closer towards the top so we can use the hook to hang onto the wall. Next, flip the wood panel over and adhere the mirror to the center with some Fix-All and hot glue. The Fix-All will provide a firm, longer-lasting hold, and the hot glue will dry quickly to provide a near-instant hold. Once the mirror is firmly secured onto the wood panel, I decided to paint the exposed wood white. You can either use white paint from the dollar store, or in my case, I happen to have some leftover white primer from a previous project. Once the paint is fully dried, apply a string of pearl beads around the outer edge of the mirror, creating somewhat of a delicate frame for the mirror. Once done, you'll likely notice lots of glue strings around the mirror or on the mirror. Here's a neat little trick I'll share with you to quickly and easily remove those glue strings. Take a dry paintbrush of any size and gently brush the glue strings away. The glue strings will stick to the brush, and when you're done, you can simply use your fingers to remove the glue strings from the brush. Next, apply some Mod Podge on the surface of the painted wood panel until the entire painted area is covered. And then sprinkle vase filler where the Mod Podge is applied. Once the first layer is dry, you may want to go in again with a second. Once everything is dry, the final step is to apply a string of silver beaded necklace along the outer rim of the wood panel. This will give the mirror a finished look, and you will see soon it is a perfect match to the dual set of bowls we made earlier. And here's the final look for our mirror. Here you can see that I've chosen to sit the mirror on an easel on my side table. However, as I mentioned earlier, the mirror can be easily hung on a wall as well using the hook at the back. Comment down below and let me know where you think I should place this mirror. And here's the final look for all three pieces. Comment down below and let me know which piece you like the best. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the notification bell and check out my next video for more glam home decor pieces.